Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, I have a question for you. Are you planning a wedding or thinking about getting married? Well, fear not. I love you too. We have the perfect feature for you. Duft and I will be getting married. That's not true. I'm only joking. We are joined by Vernisha James of Weddings JA, and Shanique Ellington from Grace Kennedy, the sales representative for Harbor Wines and Spirits. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Now, firstly, what is Weddings JA?
Weddings JA is actually an online wedding directory based in Jamaica. So what we do is provide a really, really effective platform for brides-to-be and their grooms to find just about everything that they need for their wedding online, right in the comfort of their living room. They can find honeymoons, venues, photographers, makeup artists, decorators, you name it, everything we have listed on the website.
Well, that's amazing, because I have not been thinking about getting married because, you know what I'm saying. I'm just like not that person. But if I was, I wouldn't know what it is that I needed. You know what I'm saying? Like everyone talks about the photographer and the cake and the dress. Do you offer like a service where you can, you tell the brides and grooms to be what to do, like what to make sure you have? Do you have that service?
We actually have a blog on the website. So the blog actually provides wedding tips to help them prepare for the big day.
That's excellent. And how is it being received here in Jamaica? Because I know this is particularly for Jamaica. How is it being received here? Are you guys, what's it like?
Well, we have been getting a lot of positive feedback so far.
Excellent.
And of course, today we're here to talk about the official launch of the directory.
Excellent.
So that's going to be on Sunday. And we have a full house of exhibitors. That's to show you the interest that there is in the directory. And, we're just getting started.
Right. And this is the event that you have coming up. This is the big event.
This is the launch, yes.
So now tell me, what can we expect, though?
Okay, at the launch, we're going to be having a lot of activities for brides-to-be in particular, and grooms as well.
Because you keep focusing on the brides, man. I'm telling you, my husband needs, I'm like, darling, you need to do this. I'll be home.
Well, you know
the
it's
grooms
mostly about the bride.
You know what I'm saying?
But we're not leaving out the grooms.
That's right. They better be there too. I'm just saying.
Man. All right, so we're gonna
what can we expect?
We have a lot of exciting activities. We're going to be having dancing competitions for the couples, kissing competitions. We have some other competitions that Shanique is going to be talking about as well.
All right.
We have fashion shows that will be taking place. We have...
So would somebody be able to, let's say if I'm getting married in 6 months and let's say, it's unlikely, everybody. It's unlikely, but let's just say, but I don't have my dress yet and I have no idea. Would I be able to find a dress there at your event? Would I be able to purchase one there? You know what I'm saying?
Well, you can select one that you like from the fashion show.
That's what I'm saying. And then can I say I bid 20 grand on it and I get it?
No, we're not doing any bidding.
Oh, no bidding, guys.
It's just showcase.
I'm sorry.
And then you can contact the brides-to-be, can contact the vendors
Right.
that they liked at the event afterwards to follow up, for their wedding.
Okay, so what kind of bridal companies would be there? Like, do you have any idea? I know that earlier you had mentioned something about Bridal Bliss or Bliss Bridal.
Yes, that's for the fashion show.
Right, and they'll be the ones that are providing the dresses and stuff like that.
Yes.
All right, so that's wonderful, Renisha. I'm really kind of excited about that. But I also, everybody who knows me knows that my favorite thing to do is drink wine. Yay! And Shanique is here to tell us all about these wonderful wines. You're going to be exhibiting at the event as well.
Right. We are the sole wine exhibitor. We're a
The
premier
soul
wine.
wine. So you're
Soul
my
wine
best friend.
Best friends
and I love
today.
you very much. Just so we know. Yes.
Okay, so what we'll be doing, we'll be exhibiting for all the brides in particular, but we'll be open to guests alike. And we are going to be tailoring our offering specifically for weddings, which means we're going to be having sparkling wines, which is for the toasting. Can't forget the toasting section. And we are exhibiting the Michelle wine, which is made in the champagne warm method. It's very popular amongst weddings, very premium, exquisite to the taste. But then you have more sweeter wines, because we're on this side of the world, more people prefer sweet wine. So we have the rosé from Roscato, which is a sweet, light, sparkling wine from
I thought you said
Italy.
Moscato there, but you did.
It's Roscato.
Roscato. I'm not familiar
rosé.
with this, guys. I'm learning something new. This is nice and sweet.
It's
today.
exquisite.
All right, Roscato, my new best friend. Yes.
All right,
very
and
nice.
then we have now for the dry wines, because some people will want to have dry wines to cater to those people that prefer the
These are
dry.
the proper wine drinkers.
This is
now.
the proper wine drinkers, and we'll be having the Soto home wine exhibited there. So we have the Merlot, which everybody is accustomed to, but we also give more exotic wines like the Zinfandel.
Right.
And then now the
You're
most
going kind of fast,
popular.
you know. You're not giving me an opportunity to savor just the thought of the wines. You know what I'm saying? You're kind of like
Okay. Because it's an exciting experience for the bride. So we want to
Right.
ensure that they know exactly what they're getting themselves into,
Right.
and we want to be a part of it to ensure that they are, well taken care of.
Right.
So we have an exquisite portfolio I was mentioning.
You didn't get to the last one, the white.
Last but
I mean,
not
who
least.
drinks white anyway? Because it's all about red wines.
Well,
Dustin
this white
drinks
is-
white. I don't know why, but
This white
Yes.
is from the Trevento. It's a Trevento sweet white, and
That's
we
it.
have the sweet Malbec, which is the
Ooh, that's
number
the good
one
stuff.
selling sweet red wine in Jamaica.
Yes.
It's very popular, right? And it's a Moscato. It's nice. It's easy. This side of the world we prefer sweet stuff. Our palate is more inclined to sweet stuff. So
I
this
understand.
one is always a hot seller,
hot seller.
right? So
So you're a wine connoisseur, right?
in the making.
In the making. I love you. You're wonderful. For me, when I drink the sweet wine, the sweet red, I like a bit of ice. It's a little ghetto, but I'll put, a little bit of ice. Can I not do that?
No.
Okay, that's
no,
bad.
no.
I'm sorry. And there I am.
So that's one thing we learned today.
We
no
learned today,
ice
no
in the
ice
wine.
in your wines,
No ice
guys.
in wine.
All right, so at this event, we have wines, we have fashion shows, you're talking about games. What else can someone that's coming on Sunday expect to see from your event?
Floral decor, music.
Right. So you have persons there also that can say that people can hire for their wedding as well with regards
Definitely,
to music,
yes.
like
We're going to be
DJs,
having photographers.
bands and stuff like that.
Well, we don't have any bands.
No bands, everybody. I'm sorry. Okay.
But there's gonna be lots of giveaways, right?
Okay.
We're having a lot of
We
giveaways.
have a whole lot of giveaways,
So,
yes.
Harbor Wines in particular, we'll be doing a lot of giveaways for segments such as the, Miss Bride, which is like a little pageant fashion
Right.
show, Miss Bride, and there's also the Find My Bride, right?
I have a question. This is a serious question, everybody. No, there's no husband inside. There's no boyfriend inside. But I want to get married one day. Do you think this event caters to those persons who may not have somebody but want to come and learn more so that they're ready when the time comes? Is that event for me as well, or are you thinking no?
The event is open to everyone.
She's telling me not to come. I feel like he's saying, stay home. Stay home.
The event is open to everyone. We are
Okay.
catering
All right.
primarily for
She
the
says, no, I
brides to
can't
be
come.
and the grooms.
But quickly,
to
where
be.
can we find you? Dufton, you're not going. Where can we find you? Quickly.
Okay, well, the website is weddingsja.com.
Weddingsja.com.
And brides to be who are interested in attending the event can actually attend for free if they sign up on the website, weddingsja.com.
Weddingsja.com. And if you sign up, it's free, everybody.
For brides to be.
For brides to be. And can I sneak in with you guys so you can link me and we can go together? Daytime Live will be right back. Join us after the break. Yes.